morning students, let us continue from where we have left off the previous video. So the 40th question is integral dx by sin x minus a sin x minus b on I is a subset of R such that a plus n pi n belongs to the z and union b plus n pi n belongs to z. So how do we do this problem? So here this is 1 by sin x minus a into sin x minus b. So here what we are doing is sin x minus a minus of x minus b. So this is equals to what this gives? Sin of x minus a minus of x minus b. So x minus a minus x plus b. X gets cancelled, so b minus a. So what is this? Sin b minus a. With that, let us divide sin b minus a. So without loss of generality, with the sin b minus a, I multiplied and divided. But here in the numerator, instead of writing sin of b minus a, I have written it to be sin of x minus a minus of x minus b. This gives b minus a only, sin of b minus a. So sin b minus a I just multiplied and divided it as well. Without loss of generality, these two gets cancelled and we are left with the same one only into dx. So this is equals to sin b minus a integral. We know what is the sin of a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So let us suppose this to be a, this to be b. So we know that sin a minus b is equals to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So let us assume this to be a and this to be b. So sin of a minus b is sin a cos b. So sin a here is x minus a, cos b here is x minus b, minus cos a sin b, cos x minus a into sin x minus b by sin x minus a into sin x minus b whole dx. This is equals to 1 by sin b minus a integral. So this is a minus b by c, a by c minus b by c. So this is equals to sin x minus a into cos x minus b by sin x minus a into sin x minus b minus this is cos of x minus a into sin x minus b by sin x minus a into sin x minus b. So whole dx. So here sin x minus a gets cancelled. Here sin x minus b gets cancelled. So this is equals to 1 by sin b minus a into integral cos by sin is cot. So cot x minus b minus cos by sin is cot. So cot x minus a whole dx. This is equals to 1 by sin b minus a integral cot x minus b dx minus integral cot x minus a dx. So this integral dx is distributed for these two terms. Now this is equals to sin b minus a into, we know integral cot x dx, log mod sin x. So this is log mod sin x minus b minus, so 1 by sin b minus a is being multiplied with both the terms. So integral cot x minus a dx is log mod sin x minus a plus constant of integration c. This is equals to 1 by sin b minus a into, we know log a minus log b, log a by b. So this is log sin x minus b by sin of x minus a plus constant of integration c. So this is the final answer. Log a minus log b. So log of a by b. Integral 1 by cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. So this I am multiplying and dividing by sin of a minus b. That is 1 by sin a minus b into, this is sin of a minus b by cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. So what I did is, I have multiplied and divided with the sin of a minus b. This gets cancelled. We are left with 1 by this dx only. So this is equals to 1 by sin a minus b. I further write this to be sin of x minus b minus of x minus a by cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. Sin of a minus b I have written it to be sin of x minus b minus of x minus a. So because this is x minus b minus x plus a, minus of minus plus, so x gets cancelled. This is a minus b, sin of a minus b only. So this is equals to 1 by sin a minus b integral. We know what is sin of a minus b. Sin of a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Is what we have discussed in the last problem as well. So sin of a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This I have treated it to be a, and this is b. Sin of a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b by cos of x minus a into cos x minus b whole dx. This is equals to 1 by sin a minus b integral. This is a minus b by c, a by c minus b by c. So this is equals to sin x minus b into cos x minus a by cos x minus a into cos x minus b minus cos x minus b into sin x minus a by cos x minus a into cos x minus b whole dx. So cos x minus a gets cancelled here, and cos x minus b gets cancelled here. So this is equals to 1 by sin a minus b integral sin x minus b by cos x minus b. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So tan x minus b dx minus, again sin by cos is tan x minus a dx. So this integral of dx I have distributed to both these terms. So 1 by sin a minus b integral. So we know what is integral tan x dx? Log mod secant x. So log mod of secant x minus b minus this is log mod secant x minus a plus constant of integration c. Since the integration process is over, so at the end we have to add the constant of integration. So this is equals to 1 by sine a minus b into this is log a minus log b, log a by b. So log secant x minus b by secant x minus a plus constant of integration c. Integral sin 2x by a cos square x plus b sin square x dx. So we have to take something in order to get this as its derivative. So we know sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, right? So for which let us take this denominator to be t or f of x, whatever it is. Let a cos square x plus b sin square x is equals to t I will take. Now differentiate. A into cos square x is nothing but cos x whole square. Temporarily cos x you take it as x. X square derivative is 2x. 2x is cos x into d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Because temporarily cos x is x. So cos square x is x square. X square derivative is 2x. 2 into cos x. Since cos x is treated to be x, cos x derivative is to be done later. So d by dx of cos x is minus sin x plus b into sin square x is nothing but sin x whole square. Sin square x derivative we don't know. So sin x whole square. Sin x if you take x, x square derivative is 2x. So 2x is sin x. Since sin x is treated to be x, so we have to differentiate d by dx of sin x, which is cos x whole dx is equals to dt. So this is equals to a into 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. So minus of sin 2x plus b into 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x dx is equals to dt. So therefore, sin 2x dx is equals to, this is sin 2x if you take common, then b minus a sin 2x dx is equals to dt. So sin 2x dx is equals to dt by b minus a. Because this is sin 2x you take common, then this is b minus a into dx is equals to dt. Therefore sin 2x dx is equals to dt by b minus a. So this is equals to this integral sin 2x dx we have seen it to be dt by b minus a. Here 1 by b minus a is free from the variable. Therefore this is treated to be the constant. Constant is to be separated from the process of integration. So this is equals to 1 by b minus a. So this is dt by a cos square x plus b sin square x we have treated it to be t. So 1 by b minus a, this is nothing but 1 by t dt. Integral 1 by t dt is, what is integral 1 by x dx? Log mod x. Then what would be integral 1 by t dt? Log mod t. So this is 1 by b minus a log modulus of t plus constant of integration c. But this is not the final answer since the given integrand is in terms of x, but here the answer we have got it to be in terms of t. So t we need to substitute back as a cos square x plus b sin square x. Therefore this is equals to 1 by b minus a log a cos square x plus b sin square x plus constant of integration c. Now integral 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx for x belongs to I subset of R and pi minus pi by 4 and belongs to z. So this is not defined if 1 plus tan x not equals to 0. So this is the condition where it is defined. That's the only thing that is mentioned here, but it has nothing to do with this problem. Of course, actually this condition is where it is defined, that's it. So we need to concentrate on this only. So this is equals to integral 1 minus tan x is sin x by cos x by this is 1 plus sin x by cos x dx. This is equals to cos x minus sin x by cos x. LCM if you find, then this is what we'll get, cos x minus sin x by cos x by this is cos x plus sin x by cos x integral dx. So these denominators gets cancelled, so this is equals to integral cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x, if you take it as f of x, then cos x derivative is minus sin x derivative is cos x. So this is by all respects f dash x by f of x, log mod f of x. So log of cos x plus sin x plus constant of integration c, since integral f dash x by f of x dx is equals to log modulus of f of x plus constant of integration c. So the next one is integral cot log x by x dx. X belongs to I is a subset of 0 to infinity such that e power n pi n belongs to z. So one thing is sure that log x derivative is 1 by x. So that we that it has to strike our mind. So let log x is equals to t. So log x is equals to t. Whenever we go for substitution, the immediate thing that should spring to our mind is 1 by x dx is equals to dt. So this is equals to now cot, what is log x? T into additionally 1 by x dx is there. What is that? dt. We know integral cot x dx, log mod sin x. So this is log mod sin t plus c. So log mod sin, the value of t is log x. So this is log mod sin of log x plus c. Integral e power x cot e power x dx. So x belongs to I is a subset of R such that log n pi n belongs to z. So this is equals to e power x derivative is itself. So let e power x is equals to t. Differentiate e power x dx is equals to dt. So this is equals to e power x dx is dt. So this is dt. So cot, what is e power x? T. So the given function e power x cot e power x dx has become integral cot t dt. Now again we have seen earlier integral cot t dt is log mod sin t, because integral cot x dx is log mod sin x. So log mod sin t plus c. But the answer here are not the same, because here t is treated to be log x, but here t is treated to be e power x. So the answer is log sin of e power x plus constant of integration c. Integral secant tan x into secant square x dx. So we know that tan x derivative is secant square x dx. So let us not confuse with which function is the original function and which is its derivative. tan x derivative is secant square x, but not secant square x derivative is tan x, right? Let tan x is equals to t, then its derivative is secant square x dx is equals to dt. So this is secant, tan x is t we have taken here. Now secant square x dx is dt. Integral secant x dx, we have two formulae, log mod secant x plus tan x plus c, or log mod tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. So this is log mod tan pi by 4 plus the value of x here is pi by 4 plus t by 2 here. Because integral secant x dx is log mod tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Here t by 2 plus c here. And what is t? T is tan x. So 1 by 2 tan x plus constant of integration c. Integral root of sin x into cos x dx. So sin x derivative is cos x. It is of the form integral root f of x into f dash x dx. We have discussed all of them in results. So integral f dash x by f of x dx, log mod f of x plus c. Integral f dash x by root f of x dx is 2 root f of x plus c. Integral f of x whole power n into f dash x dx is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And integral root f of x into f dash x dx is 2 by 3 f of x whole power 3 by 2. So this is 2 by 3 f of x whole power 3 by 2 plus constant of integration c. 2 by 3. Here f of x is sin x and f dash x is its derivative, which is cos x. So sin x whole power 3 by 2, or sin x whole power 3 by 2 is sin power 3 by 2 x plus constant of integration c, where f of x is equals to sin x, its f dash x is cos x. Now the next one is integral tan power 4x into secant square x dx. X belongs to I is a subset of R such that 2n plus 1 pi by 2 n belongs to z. So tan x derivative is secant square x dx. So just now we have discussed, we have integral f of x whole power n into f dash x dx is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant of integration c. Here f of x is equals to tan x and f dash x is its derivative, which is secant square x. So therefore the final answer should be, so this is equals to, what is f of x here? Tan x. So tan x whole power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. So tan power 5x by 5 plus constant of integration c. Integral 2x plus 3 by root of x square plus 3x minus 4. So here x square derivative is 2x, 3x derivative is 3. So x square plus 3x minus 4 derivative is here. Therefore its derivative is situated here. Therefore this is f dash x by root f of x, 2 root f of x. So 2 root of x square plus 3x minus 4 plus constant of integration c. Since integral f dash x by root f of x dx is 2 root of f of x plus constant of integration c, where f of x is x square plus 3x minus 4, f dash x is 2x plus 3. Otherwise, so if you do not know the result, then this would be the alternative, which is the conventional method. So let x square plus 3x minus 4 is equals to t or t square, whatever you take. So since this is under root, let us take it as t square, so that root and square will be eliminated. I am telling you, if you take it t also, it doesn't be changed. X square derivative is 2x, 3x derivative is 3 into dx is equals to 2t dt. So what is 2x plus 3 dx? 2t dt by what is root x square plus 3x minus 4? X square plus 3x minus 4 is t square. Root of this is root of t square, which is t. So this is equals to, this is t, t gets cancelled, 2 integral 1 dt, 2 integral 1 dt is t plus constant of integration c. So 2 into, so if x square plus 3x minus 4 is equals to t square, then t is equals to how much? Square root of x square plus 3x minus 4. Therefore this is x square plus 3x minus 4 plus constant of integration c. Or if you take x square plus 3x minus 4 is equals to t only, then also it is not going to be changed. So 2x plus 3 dx is equals to dt. Now you substitute in this. What is 2x plus 3 dx? Which is dt by root. So this is root t. What is integral 1 by root x? 2 root x. So 2 root t. Integral 1 by root t dt is 2 root t plus c. So 2 root of, what is t that we have taken here? X square plus 3x minus 4 plus c. So whichever you can feel comfortable, you may do accordingly. Integral cosecant square x into root cot x dx. So cot x derivative is d by dx of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So cot x derivative is this. Cot x derivative is minus cosecant square, for which what we are doing is minus of minus cosecant square x into root cot x dx. So now this is equals to cot x derivative, now it has become minus cosecant square x. Therefore cot x is f of x. So this is of the form root f of x into f dash x. What is integral root f of x into f dash x dx? We have integral root of f of x into f dash x dx is equals to 2 by 3 into f of x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Here f of x is equals to cot x, f dash x is equals to minus cosecant square x. So this is equals to minus of this minus integral cosecant square x dx is f dash x. So this is f dash x into root f of x. So this is the formula. Therefore minus is same into, this is 2 by 3 into f of x. What is f of x? Cot x whole power 3 by 2. This is cot power 3 by 2 x plus constant of integration c. Now this is equals to integral secant x into log secant x plus tan x dx on 0 to pi by 2. Now log of secant x plus tan x. So secant x derivative is secant x tan x, or tan x derivative is secant square x. But here this is not one of these two. So let us assume this to be t. Let log of secant x plus tan x is equals to t. Now let us suppose this to be x, because log of secant x plus tan x derivative we don't know. But if you treat this to be x, then we know what is d by dx of log x, 1 by x. So this is 1 by secant x plus tan x into So log x is 1 by x into d by dx. Since this is x is what we have treated earlier, so its differentiation, its derivative has to be written here. D by dx of secant x is secant x tan x plus d by dx of tan x is secant square x whole dx is equals to dt. Now this is equals to, if you take a secant x common in the numerator, then this is secant x. If you take common, this is tan x plus secant x by this is secant x plus tan x dx is equals to dt. So this gets cancelled. Therefore, log of secant x plus tan x is t. Then secant x dx is equals to dt. So this is equals to integral. This log of secant x plus tan x is t. Then secant x dx is equals to dt. So what is integral t dt? T square by 2 plus constant of integration c. Therefore 1 by 2 into the value of t is this, log of secant x plus tan x whole square plus constant of integration c. So integral sin cube x dx on real numbers. So integral sin cube x dx derivative we don't know, but had it been integral sin x dx, we know it that minus cos x. Otherwise we can even know that sin of ax plus b is minus of cos ax plus b by a. So okay, otherwise sin 2x derivative, 2x is to be taken as x. So sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2. So sin associated with any linear factor, sin of ax plus b, sin 2x, sin 3x plus 4, etc. we know, but we don't know integral sin square x dx, integral sin cube x dx, sin power nx dx, etc. So this we will be learning in the last exercise of this integration, which is a reduction formula. But for the time being, so let us see the alternative for that. So sin cube x dx. So we know that sin 3x is equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. From this 4 sin cube x, this I am transposing onto this side. So this is 3 sin x minus sin 3x. 4 sin cube x is equals to, or sin cube x is equals to this by 4. So let us write here. So sin cube x is equals to this. So 1 by 4 process, I am separating it from the process of integration. So this is 3 sin x minus sin 3x dx. 1 by 4 integral of 3 I am separating from the process of integration, sin x dx minus integral sin 3x dx. So integral dx, integral I am distributing for both these terms, both these integrands. 1 by 4, 3 into, what is integral sin x dx? Minus cos x minus, so let us suppose this to be x. Integral sin x is minus cos, so minus of minus is plus, cos 3x by its coefficient we need to divide plus constant of integration c. So this is the answer for that. You may even simplify this further. So 1 by 4 into minus 9 cos x plus cos 3x by 3 4s are 12 plus constant of integration c. So what if you don't know this formula sin 3x? Then the alternative would be, or So sin cube x dx can be written as sin square x into sin x dx. So this is equals to sin square x is 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx. This is 1 into sin x is integral sin x dx minus integral cos square x into sin x dx. So this is equals to integral sin x dx is minus cos x minus, so cos x derivative is minus sin x, right? So here let cos x is equals to t I'll take, then minus sin x dx is equals to dt. Otherwise, so therefore this minus I will write it as plus minus sin x dx. Minus sin x dx. I did not do anything except minus, plus into minus is also minus. This minus I have taken it inside and attached to this minus sin x. So this is equals to integral sin x dx is minus cos x, that we know, plus integral cos x we have treated to be t. So t square minus sin x dx is dt. So this is equals to minus cos x plus integral t square dt is t cube by 3. So t cube by 3 plus c minus cos x 1 by 3. So t here is what we have taken earlier. So cos cube x plus c, or even we can write it as, or instead of writing sin square to be 1 minus cos square x, sin square is 1 minus cos 2x by 2, because 2 cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So instead of converting sin square x with 1 minus cos square x, you may even treat it as 1 minus cos 2x by 2, and if you do further, then also that will be giving the different answer, but the solution is correct. So you may do in that way as well. Now integral cos cube x dx on R. So we have seen how to integrate integral sin cube x dx in two ways. So the third way also have discussed. So let us do that method for this. So cos cube x is cos square x into cos x dx. So we know that cos square x, so cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. So then 1 plus cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1 I have transposed. This 2 if I transpose, then this is this. So cos square x is equals to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So this is 1 plus cos 2x by 2 into cos x dx. So this is equals to 1 by 2 I am separating from the process of integration. So 1 into cos x is cos x plus this is cos 2x into cos x dx. So this is equals to 1 by 2 integral cos x dx plus 1 by 2 into integral cos x into cos 2x dx. So this is equals to 1 by 2. We know what is integral cos x. This is minus integral cos x dx is sin x. 1 by 2 into this integral cos x into cos 2x dx. So we know the transformations. 2 cos a cos b is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, for which what I do is 1 by 2 into 2 cos x into cos 2x dx. Cos x into cos 2x dx is same. I have multiplied and divided with 2. So 2 by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 4. This is integral 2 cos a cos b is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Cos a plus b, cos x minus 2x is minus x whole dx. 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b is equals to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So 2 cos a cos b here, this is a, this is b, cos a plus b, x plus 2x 3x, x minus 2x is minus x. So 1 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 4, this is integral cos 3x dx plus cos minus x is also cos x, because cos is a even function. That's what we have seen earlier in trigonometry first year. So this is integral cos x dx. Integral dx I have distributed for these two integrands. So 1 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 4. What is integral cos 3x? Integral cos 3x is minus sin 3x by its quotient 3 plus cos x is sin x by its quotient is x is 1 plus constant of integration c. So this is equals to, this is 1 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 4 sin x. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is LCM 4. So this is 2 plus 1, 3 by 4. So this is 3 by 4 sin x plus 4 3s are 12. So 1 by 12 sin 3x plus constant of integration c. So the next question is integral cos x into cos 2x dx on R. This is the 13th question. So if you see here, cos x into cos 2x dx, same. So it would be the same. So 1 by 2 into, so if you this 1 by 2 if you remove it, then integral cos x into cos 2x dx is, it starts from this one itself. So 1 by 2 into 2 is what I have done. So actually everything is same. So this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 remains the same. And actually the answer is going to be this. So that is why 30th question I am not solving here, but 14th question we will discuss. Integral cos x into cos 3x dx on R. The very first thing that we have to do is dividing and multiplying with the 2. So 2 cos x cos 3x dx. So we know what is 2 cos a cos b, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So cos x plus 3x is 4x plus cos x minus 3x is minus 2x. Cos minus 2x is cos 2x, because cos is a even function. So 1 by 2 integral cos 4x dx plus integral cos 2x dx. 1 by 2 integral cos 4x is sin 4x by 4 plus integral cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 plus constant of integration c. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into LCM for 4 and 2 is 2. So this is sin 4x plus 2 sin 2x by 4 LCM, 4 2s are 8 plus constant of integration c.